Stepping onto a cruise ship isn't just boarding, it's entering a floating world where every minute counts. The truth is, smart passengers don't waste their first day wandering aimlessly or waiting for luck to hand them a great experience. They move with purpose. They know the secret routines that turn chaos into comfort and ordinary sailings into extraordinary adventures. While everyone else is figuring things out, they're already unlocking quiet decks, scoring free upgrades, and claiming the best spots before anyone even notices. This isn't about spending more, it's about knowing more. In this video, we'll uncover what every truly smart cruiser does right after stepping on board. Small, strategic moves that make the rest of your vacation feel effortless. Take photos and video of your cabin. The moment you open your cabin door, resist the urge to start unpacking. Grab your phone instead. Before you touch a single thing, take clear photos and short video clips of the entire room. Capture the walls, mirrors, furniture, bathroom, and balcony if you have one. Focus especially on anything that looks scratched, stained, or slightly worn. This simple habit protects you from being blamed for pre-existing damage at the end of the cruise, something most passengers never think about until it's too late. A few minutes of documentation can save you from unnecessary repair charges or disputes later. Plus, it's also a great way to remember how your cabin looked before it became your cozy sea home for the week. Attend the welcome mixers, your shortcut to insider connections. Don't skip those early meet and mingle or solo traveler gatherings. They're far more valuable than they sound. These casual meetups aren't just for singles. They're where experienced cruisers, loyal members, and even crew insiders come together before the week truly begins. Showing up early helps you connect with people who've sailed multiple times and know the ship inside out, from secret quiet decks to unlisted dining perks. Many guests you meet here end up organizing private parties, group excursions, or reserved dinner tables you'd never access otherwise. Think of it as your social fast pass to everything exclusive on board. One friendly conversation at this event can turn your cruise from ordinary to unforgettable before the first night even begins. Hunt for first day only deals, the smart cruiser's secret advantage. Embarkation day is like a hidden treasure hunt, and smart passengers know where to look. Right after boarding, cruise lines quietly roll out limited-time offers that vanish by sunset. Think spa raffles, discounted internet packages, drink upgrades, or photo bundles at half price. These deals are designed to catch early birds, but most guests are too distracted by lunch or exploring to notice them. Visit the spa, fitness center, and onboard shops as soon as you board to see what's up for grabs. Even small savings here can add up to hundreds over the week. By acting fast, you lock in perks others will pay full price for later, proving that being quick on day one really pays off. Sort out your dining setup early. Secure the perfect mealtime experience. One of the smartest moves you can make right after boarding is visiting the main dining room or specialty restaurant desk to confirm your dining plans. Whether you prefer a private table for two, want to sit with friends, or switch to a different time slot, the maitre d' can make it happen, but only if you ask early. By evening, change requests pile up and flexibility disappears fast. It's also a great moment to check menus, reserve specialty dinners, or mention dietary needs. Think of it as customizing your cruise dining experience before anyone else does. A 5-minute chat on embarkation day ensures every meal on board feels perfectly planned, not just another seat at the table. Snag the day one laundry deal, the hidden saver most guests miss. Here's a cruise secret few passengers ever realize. Laundry discounts often appear only on embarkation day. It might be a flat rate bag offer or a special unlimited package that disappears once the ship sails. Stop by guest services or check the daily planner as soon as you board to see if it's available. Grabbing this deal early can save you a surprising amount, especially on longer voyages where clean clothes become a luxury. It's not the most glamorous task on day one, but it's definitely one of the smartest. While everyone else is unpacking, you'll be setting yourself up for stress-free packing later. No scrambling for clean outfits or paying full price mid-cruise. Smart cruisers handle this quietly and win big later.
Ditch the day one buffet. Start your cruise with peace, not chaos. When everyone rushes to the buffet after boarding, it turns into a noisy maze of trays, lines, and spilled drinks. But smart cruisers know there's a better way. Instead of fighting for a seat, head to the main dining room or a quiet cafe. They're open, calmer, and serve freshly prepared meals. You'll enjoy real plates, attentive service, and maybe even a glass of wine to start your vacation right. Some ships also open specialty venues or poolside grills that most people overlook. Choosing one of these hidden gems sets a relaxed tone for your entire trip. While others balance plates in crowded aisles, you'll be savoring your first peaceful meal at sea, the perfect welcome to your cruise adventure. Test your cabin for noise. Fix problems before it's too late. Once you enter your cabin, don't just admire the view. Stop and listen. Turn off the air conditioning for a moment and pay attention to sounds from the ceiling, hallway, or decks above and below. Is there constant thumping from the pool deck, music from a nearby lounge, or engine vibrations you can feel through the floor? These might seem minor now, but can ruin your sleep all week. If you notice anything distracting, report it to guest services immediately. Early changes are far more likely to be approved before the ship fills up. Smart cruisers act fast on embarkation day, securing a peaceful room while everyone else is still unpacking. Silence, after all, is one of the best luxuries at sea. Get the cruise line app ready before you board. Before you even step foot on the ship, download the cruise line's official app. This simple step can transform your entire embarkation experience. The app often handles check-in, health questionnaires, and boarding passes, saving you from long lines and last-minute stress. Once on board, it becomes your personal command center, showing daily schedules, restaurant bookings, spa appointments, excursion updates, and special onboard offers. Many hidden perks like flash deals or limited-time activities are revealed first through the app. Downloading it in advance also ensures you can set it up on reliable Wi-Fi, link your account, and familiarize yourself with its layout. Smart cruisers treat the app like a secret weapon, a one-stop tool for efficiency, planning, and staying ahead of the crowds. Alert the crew about your dietary preferences early. The moment you board, take a few minutes to inform the ship's staff about any dietary restrictions or preferences. Whether it's allergies, vegetarian, vegan, or gluten-free requirements, letting the crew know right away ensures your meals are safe, enjoyable, and stress-free. Many specialty dishes or substitutions can be arranged on embarkation day, giving you more options throughout the cruise. By communicating early, you also build rapport with the dining team, making future requests smoother and faster. Waiting until later can limit availability or force last-minute compromises. Smart cruisers know that a quick conversation on day one guarantees consistent, worry-free dining, allowing them to focus on relaxing, exploring the ship, and enjoying their first meals without concern. Head to guest services immediately for cabin solutions or upgrades. One of the smartest moves you can make on embarkation day is to go directly to guest services as soon as you board. Whether it's a minor cabin issue like a malfunctioning AC, obstructed view, or unwanted connecting doors, addressing it early gives you the best chance of a quick resolution before the ship fills with passengers. But here's the real advantage. You can also inquire about upgrades. Many cruise lines hold back a few unsold cabins, suites, or balconies and offer them at discounted rates, or sometimes even complimentary if availability allows. By acting immediately, politely, and decisively, you maximize comfort, convenience, and luxury for your cruise, turning potential problems into early perks that set the tone for the entire vacation. Enroll in reward-based activities early. Earn points, prizes, and VIP access. As soon as you step on board, one of the smartest moves is to sign up for cruise activities that offer rewards or points. Many ships run trivia competitions, scavenger hunts, fitness challenges, or casino lessons that come with perks like free drinks, souvenirs, or even onboard credits. By enrolling on embarkation day, you get a head start on accumulating points, unlocking special bonuses, and gaining access to exclusive events that fill up quickly. Early participation also lets you plan your schedule efficiently, ensuring you don't miss out on high-demand programs. Smart cruisers know that taking advantage of these reward systems immediately not only adds fun to the trip, but can also save money and provide unique experiences that others might completely overlook. Enroll children in the Kids Club early, secure spots, and babysitting services. One of the smartest moves on embarkation day for families is to register kids at the cruise line's youth or kids club immediately. These clubs often have limited spaces for popular programs, themed activities, or babysitting sessions, and spots can fill up within hours. By signing up early, you guarantee your children access to the activities they'll enjoy most, giving them a fun, structured start to the cruise. Early registration also helps staff accommodate special requests, like dietary needs or allergies, and lets your kids get familiar with the space before it becomes crowded. Smart parents treat this step as essential. It ensures peace of mind, keeps the little ones entertained, and sets the tone for a smooth, stress-free family vacation.
Walk your emergency route. Know the path, not just the drill. Don't rely solely on the muster drill or safety video. Take a few minutes on embarkation day to physically walk your emergency route from your cabin to the muster station. Check the nearest stairwells, emergency exits, and alternate paths. Knowing the exact route by heart creates muscle memory that can make a critical difference in a real emergency. It also helps you gauge obstacles, tight corridors, or potential hazards you might not notice on paper. Smart cruisers treat this like a personal safety rehearsal, ensuring they and their travel companions can evacuate quickly and confidently if needed. This simple, proactive step turns a mandatory drill into genuine preparedness, giving you peace of mind while enjoying your cruise.
Discover crew shortcuts and traffic patterns. Save time like a pro. On embarkation day, take a few moments to observe how the crew navigates the ship. Notice which stairwells they use, which corridors are quieter, and which elevators rarely have crowds. Crew members move with purpose, avoiding bottlenecks and busy areas. And this insight is pure gold for smart cruisers. By memorizing these shortcuts, you'll breeze through the ship all week, especially on hectic mornings before port excursions or during peak dining hours. It turns chaotic navigation into effortless efficiency. You'll reach pools, lounges, or dining areas faster than most passengers, giving you extra time to relax, explore, or snag popular spots. Think of it as unlocking insider-level ship navigation. Tour the medical center early. Be prepared before you need it. On embarkation day, take a quick walk to the ship's medical center. You're not going because you're sick, but to familiarize yourself with its location, operating hours, and how their billing or insurance process works. Knowing this in advance can save precious time and stress if seasickness strikes, a minor injury occurs, or a sudden illness needs attention. Many passengers waste time wandering the ship or asking staff in an emergency. By visiting early, you gain confidence in handling medical situations efficiently and avoid delays when you or a family member needs care. Smart cruisers always scout essential services before the action begins, and the medical center is no exception. Inspect cabin power and USB ports. Secure extra before it's gone. Before unpacking, take a moment to check how many power outlets and USB ports your cabin actually has. Cruise cabins often have fewer outlets than you expect, and everyone on board is charging multiple devices: phones, cameras, tablets, and wearable tech. Smart cruisers note the count immediately and, if needed, request a cruise-approved power strip or multi-port adapter right away. Waiting until later can mean shortages or sold-out accessories at the ship's shops. Securing extra outlets early ensures all your devices stay charged without fighting over sockets or unplugging essentials. It's a simple step, but one that keeps your cabin fully functional and stress-free from day one, letting you enjoy your cruise without power hassles. Scout the quiet spar for your personal retreat. On embarkation day, Take a little time to explore the ship's lounges and bars with a discerning eye. Notice which spots have the best ambiance, attentive service, panoramic ocean views, or simply the least noise. The goal is to identify your personal chill zone, the place you'll return to throughout the cruise for a peaceful drink or a quiet moment away from the crowds. Doing this on day 1 gives you insider knowledge before everyone else discovers it, so you can claim your favorite corner early. This simple step turns a routine evening into a relaxing escape and ensures your cruise has a few private, serene spots to recharge and unwind. And there you have it, the ultimate moves every smart cruise passenger takes the moment they step on board. These simple but strategic steps don't just make your embarkation day smoother, they set the tone for an unforgettable cruise experience. Don't let your first few hours go to waste. Take control, explore, and claim every advantage you can. If you found these tips valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more insider cruise secrets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a pro tip. Comment below with your favorite embarkation hack or a question, and I'll personally respond. Now go out there, step on board, and make your cruise legendary.